winter gardening and Christmas Eve planting. You can still plant in the winter. There's a lot of cold weather crops that do very well with a little protection. Some don't need any protection at all. We cleared out this bed and we intended to put some cool weather crops in here. But when we were cooking today, I realized I had some garlic that had already started to sprout. So we're gonna go ahead and add that. That'll make that fun. In this bed, we let the amaranth take over this fall. We went ahead and left those roots in here. That just keeps some structure in here. That'll help out the new plants. I thought it'd be fun if we stuck a couple of these garlic down in here. It's part of our chaos garden idea. But I have a few other things I would like to plant in here. We're gonna kind of make this a salad garden. In December, what do you actually plant? Only plant what you want to eat. There's no point in fretting over something that you're not gonna eat. And for us, that's gonna be some salad mix. I'm gonna throw in some kale for good measure. But I'm gonna get a few more turnips started. And has anybody ever said you can't have enough beets? And then of course we're gonna put in a few more carrots. And then our fast growing, we're gonna put in some icicle radishes. These are wonderful and they grow very fast. One of the fastest things you can grow. And to have fun today, I'm gonna do it Roost Stout style. I'm just gonna mix some of these seeds in my hand. I'm gonna scatter over the top. We're gonna pat them in. We're gonna add a little water. We're gonna see what we get. Now this, I know, I might be crazy, but this along with the purple dead nettle that are in here, and the henbit, and the amaranth, and the cilantro, and a couple carrots that are still growing, we're gonna see which one wins. That's a nice combination. And just like Roost Stout, we're just gonna pat this down. This soil's kind of dry, so we're gonna come back and water this. So everything's got good soil contact. And then as stuff starts to germinate, we'll come back and we'll add some more mulch. This is just like nature. Seeds hit the ground, a little rain on top. I'm gonna actually come out here and water this every day, make sure it stays good and moist. I think we're all gonna be pretty surprised. It's a little salad mix I just put in the ground here. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think the first thing will be to germinate out of everything that we just planted. And as long as I keep it moist and as warm as it's forecasted to be over the next few days, I think we're gonna shock them into starting a little sooner than they would have normally started. I'm gonna guess radishes. Radishes come up pretty fast. They're one of the easiest things you can grow. And if you're just starting out, try some radishes in a container on your windowsill. You'll be surprised how fast they grow, and they do really well inside. It's Christmas Eve and it's in the mid-70s, zone 7. I've had years like this. Yes, I'm happy that we're gonna have a warm Christmas, but I've had many Christmases where it's been so cold you didn't want to step outside. In your winter garden, it's very easy to forget about watering, but the cool weather pulls that moisture out just as much as the hot sun does. So remember to keep your winter garden watered. So it's all a cycle. You take the weather as it comes, keep your eye to the sky. Merry Christmas. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.